Good morning mga idol. Say hi to my vlog. Yan, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Yeah. Say hi. Ngumiti ka. Yan, ang gusto ko sa'yo. Say hi.
Hi!
Say hi. Where are we going? Batangas. We're going to Batangas, boys and girls. What's up, guys? So today pupunta kami ng Batangas with the whole San Juan family. And then we are going to Tito Ochi's house. Tapos pupunta kami sa Talisay, Batangas, where April's family are. First time ni Kuya Ellis doon. So see you guys in Batangas. Peace. What's up guys? We're about an hour away from Lian, Batangas. And then breakfast doon. Tapos heading to the resort na nabook nila for tonight. And then tomorrow punta kami ng Talisay, Batangas. See you guys at Lian. Finally, dito na kami kila Tita Berna. So we're gonna be eating lunch dito and then we're gonna head to the resort. Hello, Mela! How are you? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Say mo, hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Let's go. Meron din pala kaming kasama from Australia. Hi, Bilog. How are you? Say hi to my guys. Welcome to my vlog. Sabi mo.
Welcome to your vlog.
Yeah. Ito pala Patrick. This is my wife. April. Patrick.
Kasing iba to yung anak ni Patrick, yung
Ito yung tita kong Rich. Ito yung bahay nila. Madami silang kubo dito daw eh. Nasaan yung swimming pool?
There's a pool, but no, there's no water.
Kuya Elijah, ito yung swing na hinahanap mo.
Oh nga, ito yun. Wanna go?
Ano ba to? Pulpulan.
I told you. Remember?
Aha. May kubo-kubo sila dito. Kaltog. You need a shot, bro. Pampagising, no? Wow. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Laki naman ang mansion nyo.
Ang mansion? Uy, bodega lang yun.
Kamusta ate? Long time no see ah.
Talaga hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. Pogi pa rin.
Siyempre, thank you. Kaya gusto kitang tita eh. Kaya pinaka-favorite kong tita eh. Favorite kong tita eh. Wow, ang daming puppies. Kuya Ellis, Kuya Elijah. May mga tuta oh. Tignan mo, mga tuta. Ang dami. Ang dami mga tuta.
Pakita mo kay Elijah.
Ilan yan? 2, 4, 6. Anong gagawin nyo dito, Tiberna? Bebenta nyo?
Hindi, pinamimigay ko lang yan.
Okay. Say hi to Tita Berna.
Sino to?
Si Ellis. Say hi. Bless you
Look
come.
are my puppies. They're so cute.
Dami niya. Hi, Ellis. Yeah. Ano sabi ng papi sa'yo?
Para talaga masapitan ng at the bottom of the...
Mas matalas na yung yellow. Wow, English speaking. At the bottom of the
Of the man.
Of this thing.
Ay,
Ang tangina. Ayun, kamusta naman to? Yung bags mo. So, dito kami sa farm. Makakita tayo ng baboy. Makakita ba tayo ng baboy? May kasama na tayo, dalawa. Ayun oh. Wow, kamusta naman yung mo, double chin mo?
Ito, nakadikit.
Sila kuya, nagbababoy oh.
Anong luto
Look
niyo
at the
dyan,
pig.
kuya?
Sinigang. Fiesta pala. There's chicken, there's pigs. Dami dito. Oh, namatay ito? Itong
Alin namatay?
Ito oh. Patay. Kawawa naman. Patayin na. Pigi-pigi. Pigi-pigi. Ayan oh, may chicken po. Look oh. Chicken. Wow! May goat din.
Baka mawala yung teddy bear.
Meh. 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 Baho. Meh. 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 Bleh. Goat. Oh, this thing is hot, bro. It's hot in here, bro.
He's not from Canada.
He's from Australia. This guy is from Australia, and Lola and Lolo, they're from Australia. They're mate, the Aussie.
Ano ito? Tubo?
Because he's from there.
How are you? I'm good. What are you doing? Bonjour. Yeah.
Yes, chicken.
Kamusta ba?
Look at that. Ducky. Did you see the duck, Kuya Ellis? What about the goat? Kanina, nakita mo yung goat kanina? Ano sabi ng duck? Quack quack? What's that? Duck. Duck.
Ito, oh.
Dami, no? Dami duck. Boodle. Tugal na, laban na ako, laban na.
Open sesame!
Open it up. Open it up. 6, 11, 5, 11, 3 ka lang. Alam pa na 100. So we are at the resort now. Wow, you already jumped in? Oh wow. Swimming time. Let's go. Kain na naman. Tulog ang asawa ko. Bebe. You're good, kuya. Tatlo na lang. Kuya, remember. your right is your left, okay?
Go to your right. When I say right, go to your left. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Right, left, right, left.
Ah! No, you're still good. You're still good.
Siya lang nagkano.
Si Melala, you go. You still go. Back to normal. Oh, okay lang. Yeah. Nasaan ba sila? Akala ko nasa gitna. Ganyan. Stay on the left side. Stay on the left side. There.
Alright.
That's okay. Good job. Bingo. Sino na nanalo? Ikaw?
Wait lang pa. Nasusuko lang siya pera. Paikot yung... Yun, tara na. Yung panalo. 100, maubos na.
Good morning. We're still here sa resort and just finished breakfast. Taho. Sino magbabayad yan? Si Mika.
Hindi ako ikaw.
Sino mo naman kinakain mo, ho? Ha? Taho. Taho girl. Ganang sugal, oh. Taho.
Taho. May taho pa sa Canada.
Meron, kaso yung cold na lang.
Walang lako, taho.
It's for my kids. Here.
Coffee, guys. Cheers. This is mine.
Yours.
This is mine.
I think I want some.
You want some? Okay. Try it. Yummy? Cheers.
Sige, bilang naman. 60 na yan.
Zero. Is this enough?
Wala pong sago yung isa, ha? Okay na po yan.
Walang sagot.
60 na po yan.
I want it now. Just hold it. Dalawa niyan.
It's finishing my tao.
On my own.
You want your own? Oh, one more to this guy, kuya.
18, sige. Ano, yummy? Yeah. Sabi ko sa'yo.
First time niya nag-try eh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Kumuha pa si Kuya Ellis ng kanya, oh. Wow. Share din daddy. Kasi I share with you, right? Oh.
A few minutes later.
Daddy, selling tawa!
Taho kayo dyan! Kailangan nyo na, hoy! Tutulungan ko kayo magbenta. Taho! Taho, kayo. Kuya, taho. Taho, gusto nyo taho? Kuya, taho! Masarap to! Gusto nyo?